Yo guys, in this video I want to show you one really important thing that stops tons of e-com brand owners from launching their email marketing site, and it's actually how to upload your email designs in Klaviyo, like how to post them. Just because pretty often I'm seeing this pattern, like a lot of e-com brand owners just come to me and they say, hey Zach, like I have email design in place, but I don't know how to like post it, how to send it, just because you should somehow put it in Klaviyo. So in this video I'm going to break it down, show you step by step how you should do that. So yeah, let's dive into it. Okay guys, so I'm in Figma. It's honestly the best app for all your email designs creation, and it's also the app that we use for all our designs. And here's just one of the emails that we created for Danny O'Dallan, and I'm going to use it to show you the whole process, on it. So let's start the whole process, and what we need to do first is just to take the instrument which is called slice, and we basically just need to slice our email in blocks. And why we do that? Just because we want to optimize our email so it's going to load much faster when customers going to receive our email in their inbox when they're going to open it. So that's why we are like basically slicing the email in parts. So this is basically our first block, first slice. And when customer is going to click to this area, it's going to send them to the main page. And I'm going to show you why. Like in Klaviyo, we're going to add certain links to the certain blocks. And let's just, add more cuts, more slices. So yeah, we just basically make cuts proportionally like this. And if you want to duplicate any shape, you can just click option on MacBook or control on Windows just to do the same, like just to copy paste it. Okay, so now we sliced our email in 3 blocks, and now as you can see we have the product section where is 3 different products. And what we should do is, again, just to slice it in 3 different blocks. Okay, we put it here. So now when people are going to click here, it's going to send them to the black pair of glasses, the second block like this. Let's just edit it a bit in this way. And the third one is this product, the brown color. And the last one is just the footer. Okay, so in this footer we don't have much information, so yeah, it's not going to include any link. Okay, so we basically now have proper cuts. Now we have proper slices, right? We sliced our email in parts, and what we should do is just to download all these slices, basically our email. And what we do, we just choose all these slices here and we export PNG, and we just basically download it. Now I downloaded all our slices, basically our email. And what we should do now is to go to the website, which is called iloveimg.com. Okay, so yeah, we are on the website iloveimg.com. And what we should choose here is just to compress image. So now, why we want to compress our email design and slices that we have right now, we choose them like this, upload them, and we compress them. So why we are compressing our images, our email design, again, just to load it faster when customers, gonna open it. And that's it. Yeah, as you can see, it was almost 3 megabytes, and now it's just, it's going to be much smaller file. And now when we have compressed, sliced images, what we should do is we should go to Klaviyo and basically just let's start from scratch. Let's say you want to send a campaign. So let's just make it here, create a campaign, single channel email, continue, and let's just send to an email list here. Next. Okay, so we just choose random template, just anything here. And what we do now, so as you can see, what we should do is we should add our picture. So we put image here, and when we click select image, we're gonna upload the images. We already compressed them, upload them all. So now we uploaded our slices, and let's just choose this one. So we have the first slice here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just add a link. Look at this. So link address. So basically when people are gonna click here, let's put just lands. Okay, so we have a link now here, and basically when people are gonna click to this, it's gonna send them to the main page, right? And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just basically add all the slices again that we created. Let's just duplicate this in this way, and we're gonna just replace with slices that we already have. Okay, so let's do this, replace, and we choose the second slice. Okay, amazing. Now we choose the third slice. Now we choose 4th one, 5th one, and last 2 slices. 1 second. So let's duplicate again in this way, and 1 more because we're gonna need 2 blocks. Okay, so we need to replace this one, replacing it, and now it's the last thing, the footer. Amazing. And we can just even delete this one. Nice. So our email is in place. What we should do now is just to add links that we need. These products are already sold out, so I can't add them, but let's say you know, the link would be, I don't know, just, you know, blue glasses, and just here and other links here too, you know. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just put your links that you'll need to your products, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so once we uploaded our email in Klaviyo, what we do is we click next, and yeah, we just put all our like sender name, preview text, we click next, and yeah, basically we already have our segment, and we just need to like schedule the email or send it immediately, and basically that's it. So guys, if this video was useful for you guys, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and yeah, if you need any help with emails, you can always reach me out and see if we are a good match. And so yeah guys, thanks for watching my video, and we stay in touch, and bye bye, see you.